26 Jan. Today is Republic Day and time is 5 AM in the morning. Today we are on a small mission once again, and along with me I have my brother Hari Krishna, and one more person is also going to join, and we all three are planning to actually do a 100-kilometer ride on the eve of Republic Day. And later we are also going to join our group HCG, wherein we have planned for another Republic Day ride along with them. So we are just waiting for Prasad at Y Junction, and once he's here we are going to start and head forward. కదా నాకు అది అనిపించింది. లేదా లైట్స్ ఉంటాయి జనరల్గా, అంటే ఇంకా ముందర రావాలేదు. चलो चलो पदा पदा. So the first part of the ride is done. We are at Chitra Circle now, waiting for other riders to join, and from here we will be going ahead to MLR80. That's why we are doing the flag hosting. We are still waiting for Ravinder, Naresh, Sauri. So this is the gang. So morning we started at 4:30. Me, Hari Krishna, my brother, and Prasad, we went to Charminar, and we already finished our 50-kilometer ride before reaching Suchitra.